This tutorial will guide you how to install the Catenda SharePoint application and use it to manage your Catenda Hub project directly from SharePoint. From accessing documents to uploading files, this guide ensures a seamless navigation experience between Catenda Hub and SharePoint. Install the SharePoint application. Click on the Settings button on the top right. Click on Add an app. Click on the Add button to add the Catenda SharePoint extension. Go back to your SharePoint site. Edit your site to add the SharePoint web part. Hover your mouse at the top or somewhere between two sections and click on the plus button. Select the Catenda Document Viewer web part. Click on the Open Web Part Settings button. Click on the drop-down menu on the right. Choose your Catenda project you want to connect to your SharePoint site. After selecting the project, the Catenda web part is generated and displays the document section from your Catenda project. From this interface, you are able to upload documents which will be automatically uploaded on your Catenda Hub project. Any change you make in Catenda Hub will also reflect on your SharePoint web part. Click on the Republish button to publish the web part. Create and add content from SharePoint. Let's create a subfolder. Click on one of the root folders to access it. Initiate the creation of a new folder by clicking on Create Folder. Give a name to your new subfolder. Click on the Create button. Click on the newly created subfolder. Click on Upload File and select a file from your COMPTIA. The uploaded file will be accessible both from SharePoint and from the previously selected Catenda Hub project. Switch to hub.catenda.com. Click on the Documents folder. Click on the new subfolder that has previously been created from the SharePoint app. The document uploaded from SharePoint appears in the same folder in Catenda Hub. Create and add content from Catenda Hub. Upload a file in the Catenda Hub project in the same subfolder. Switch to the SharePoint app. The document you uploaded from the Catenda Hub project will also appear in SharePoint. This guide covered a range of actions such as creating folders, uploading files and accessing specific items within SharePoint and Catenda Hub, streamlining processes across both platforms.